I see no evidence.
Now! Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
I know.
Main reactor. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. No ships, none. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with...
You've been interrogated.
The first order.
Oh, look.
We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Horns in the back, guys. Let's go.
Ready. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid? You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention lot 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention lot 3. There they are! Fire!
Distant box to full. Take the lift down. We'll cover you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. The destroyer's about to...
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
all right. Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.